This is Sean with Boot Hill Tractor. I'm here in the reman shop today doing a little R&D work. We've got our Deere 7000, 7010, 7020, 7030, which rolls into your 6M, 6R range and differential assemblies. So here's one that's been prepped. Everything's been checked on it. Sort of bagged up, ready for storage, ready for shipment. Can't get any contaminants in it on its trucking venture to you. Check the rear ring and pinion. We can pull the MFD, or we pull the MFD drop box on the bottom. We can look up inside to check the synchronizers, pull the side cover off, get a good look inside there. But something we've recently been selling or get a lot of requests for was just the range box itself. The problem we run into is that if you pull the pinion shaft out and leave it with the differential, well, then your range box just got a bunch of gears in it. So we've sold a few of these lately, and as long as we're matching up the tooth count on the pinion shaft, we haven't had any issues with meshing. So specifically, some of these tractors getting a lot of age on them. If you're not running it up and down the road, we haven't had any noise issues, any whine issues, any, hey, this won't match up. So tooth count's real important that we do get that correct for you. But besides that, so we've got a couple different options right now. You can buy the whole rear end and range, depending on what's wrong with yours, or you can buy just the range box, or you can buy just the differential. We just took this one off last week for a guy. Haven't even cleaned the rear end up yet. So if you got just rear end problems, you can solve that also by just selling you the differential without the range box. So whatever piece is bad on yours, we've got a couple of options depending on your skill set or your dealership's willingness to do the repair. If we can help you out, let us know.